Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I would love for you to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed because you headed over from my other channel, then thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you don't already know, I do have a vlog channel. I'll leave the link below and maybe I'll put like a card or something up. But this is my sort of lifestyle channel and this is actually going to be my first video, so super exciting. I'm kind of jumping on the bandwagon of all the fall things. I know actually that I'm probably a little late to the game in terms of YouTube and social media world because people have been posting their fall related videos now. It seems like for almost a month, but this is the reality of the timing of how I do things, and it's just been now that I have kind of pulled everything together out of bins and boxes so that I could do my fall decorating. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. I haven't really actually got anything new this year. Most of what I have is, or all of what I have, is stuff that I've collected over the years. I did quite a bit of shopping last year for fall decor, so yeah, I don't really think I'm gonna need much more. But what I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna use what I have. I'm gonna go around the house and like decorate and put it where I think I want it. And then once I've done that, if I feel like I want to pick up a few more things, then maybe I'll head to the store and see if I can find anything else. If I do that, I'll try to tack that on to the end of the video. If I add anything else that I don't already show you now, then I'll do that at the end and I'll kind of give you a glimpse of where I used it. But I thought I would just start by showing you guys what I have to work with in terms of all my fall decor. All right, so here it is. This is pretty much all of it. It's all I could find. I mean, it's a lot, but as far as I know, this is everything I have. It's quite a bit of stuff, and this doesn't include, like, I have some hand soaps, and I also have some like wallflowers and stuff, but I didn't put those out. We're already actually using those. So most of this stuff I would say is either from HomeSense or from Michael's. Yeah, I would say like 99% of it. And then I have obviously candles from Bath and Body Works, some of my favorites, Bourbon Sea Salt Caramel, Sweater Weather. Those are like probably two of my favorite fall scents. We actually ran out of leaves. That's also another favorite, but I actually ran out of leaves, so we don't have leaves. I will have to run to the store and grab some of that for sure. Just a lot of signs and little sayings. I have this fun like wood leaf garland. I also have these like gourds. I have that one, and then I have that silver one back there. I mainly decorate is the main floor of our house. It'll mostly be the kitchen and the family room, and then I might throw a couple of things in the guest bathroom, the entrance, and I might throw a thing or two in our schoolroom. So here's a quick overview of our family room, because that's where I'm going to be starting. And again, this is real life. This is how I have things right now. A little corner of toys over there where my toddler plays most of the time. There's the puppy with a horse on top of his cage, don't even ask. Then I have a pile of blankets over here that I actually just pulled out of the wash. So I have to fold them up and just arrange them on the couch. And then these pillows actually we've had here all summer, and I'm probably just gonna leave it as it is. I don't have any official fall pillows as of yet, but I kind of like these colors and I think that they sort of blend in well with the fall theme. I do have a couple of florally ones, but for now they're just gonna stay. And we're gonna do a lot of decorating on the shelves and the TV stand. And then when I'm done there, I'll probably move on to the kitchen. So let's get started. I love the smell of freshly washed blankets. I usually try to keep most of my laundry soaps and detergents fairly clean and non-fragranced, but when I wash sheets and I wash blankets, I love to use the little fragrance beads that you can throw in the wash. And so I was actually really enjoying folding these blankets because they were warm, because they had just come out of the dryer, and they smelled so good. Also, how sweet was that clip of Eli coming over to say goodbye to me? He was on his way to walk Jakey, and he came over and surprised me with a hug and a kiss. So super sweet, especially now that he's 15. I'll take whatever I can get. All the pillows that you see in the family room I got from HomeSense or Winners over the years, and most of the blankets I actually find at Costco. They always have really good deals on their blankets, and they're super soft, they wash really well, and so I like to stock up on them. You can never have too many blankets. One of my favorite places to decorate for the different seasons and the holidays are these two bookshelves that we have in our family room. It's just a really easy way to add seasonal decor to what you already have out, and because it's our main area where we hang out and watch movies and snuggle on the couch, I really like to focus on doing most of my decorating in this room. So I don't know about you, but whenever I start decorating for anything, there's a lot of trial and error, and you'll notice many times in the video I'm moving things around. I do a lot of stepping back and taking a look at the whole thing, and then I change my mind and try something different, and I don't know. I have a feeling that I haven't even kept it the way that it looks in the video because I feel like every day I walk into one of the rooms and I change my mind again. So yeah, but isn't that the fun of decorating? So here's a little decorating hack for all of you. Painter's tape. Painter's tape is my best friend. Anytime that I have something to put up or hang up like this leaf garland, I always use painter's tape because then you don't have to worry about it peeling off like the paint on the walls or even just wrecking the finishes on your furniture. It's seriously awesome. Painter's tape for the win. So like I mentioned earlier, most of the things that you'll be seeing in this video are either from HomeSense or Michael's. There's a few things from Walmart. I know that this little faux plant I actually got from IKEA, as well as the holder it's in, but I'm pretty sure most of those signs are from Michael's. So they are from last year, but they always have similar things I find year to year. During the fall season, this is actually a cute little box that I got from HomeSense, and it's just like a little storage box, but I thought that the outside of it was super cute, very farmhouse, and it actually comes with a lid that I used in another part of the shelf. I actually use it to store our Bibles, some devotionals and a few of our homeschooling workbooks. I really love how this wooden leaf garland looks strung over the TV. It's just simple and sweet, but it adds so much to that space. Also, this string of faux leaves is just a nice little filler when you're not really sure what you want to put out, but you kind of just want to fill in some empty spots. I have a few of these strung around the house, and I just love how festive they make everything look. So this is the lid to the box that I showed on the other bookshelf holding our Bibles and homeschooling material. I love the look and texture of it, that it's sort of a woven material, and I just thought it was really cute, propped up sort of on its own as a display next to, of course, a candle. I believe that's sweater weather burning. And you'll also notice I have quite a few of the willow tree figurines. I just love those, and most of them I've gotten as gifts from my hubby, and so they're super sentimental. This Happy Harvest plate is just that. It's a charger plate that I found last year at Michael's, and I really like looking at things and finding ways to use them and display them in an unconventional way. It's kind of fun, makes you think outside the box. So now I am decorating this little console table. It's actually from Pier 1, and it's just sort of nestled in a little nook we have in between the family room and the kitchen. We already had that canvas painting and our little dog treat container, so I kept it pretty simple, and I added in this candle and candle holder and wreath. So when it comes to decorating the kitchen, I like to just throw in a couple of things in conjunction with whatever I already have set up decor-wise. I don't want to clutter up the countertops too much, so I usually just keep things as they are. I don't really rearrange anything. I keep everything as it is, and then I will just throw in a piece of decor here or there, and it's usually enough to keep things festive but still make it a workable area. So if you haven't already noticed, Joanna Gaines is one of my favorites. I just love her. So I have this Magnolia Table cookbook propped up in this crate that I got from Michael's. And like I mentioned, this is something that's always here on the countertop, so I just added in that metallic looking squash gourd. I don't know what you would call it. And then on our windowsill, again, I have my Gilmore Girls cookbook. I have my Ray Dunn little containers, and then I added in this cute little picture from HomeSense. You will also notice my love for all things Ray Dunn. As you can see here, I have this little tiered tray, and all those things that you see in them, the faux greenery, the cups, that's always there. I just added in a candle, and the same thing with this mug tree. I just added that homemade pumpkin sign. And let me just mention, by the way, the candle that I have burning in the kitchen is called Paris Cafe. And if you love coffee as much as I do, you need to get that candle. I don't think it's considered a fall scent, but trust me, you will thank me. So now we're moving on to the little powder room that we have on our main floor. This is a little wooden shelf that I have hanging in there all the time. I got it from HomeSense, and I just added in the Be Grateful sign on top, as well as the Fall in Love, the Friends and Family Gather Here sign, and I also have, I think it's actually Marshmallow Fireside candle from Bath and Body Works in the center. And yeah, that's pretty much all the decor that I added to the bathroom. So the final place that I'll be decorating is this console table that we have sitting in the foyer just off of the front doors. I decided to use some more of the faux leaf garland that I had. I usually keep the table runner that you see on there just to protect the top of the table from being scratched, because it is a drop zone. As you can see, we have a little bowl in the middle, and keeping it real, guys, we keep our keys, our wallets, our sunglasses, pretty much anything else that comes out of our pockets. This is the reality of how it looks most of the time. So I added in the garland, the candle for Bath and Body Works, and then I also propped up the Give Thanks picture that I got from HomeSense. If you enjoyed this video, I'd love for you to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and we'll see you again next time. Bye, guys.